Welcome. Today we will be exploring the fascinating history and trivia behind one of the world's most beloved condiments, ketchup. Ketchup has a rich and ancient history dating back centuries. Originating in China, ketchup was initially a sauce made from fermented fish. Over the years, the recipe evolved, and it was in the United States that ketchup found its popularity. In the 19th century, the Heinz Company came on the scene with their secret recipe and the quality of tomatoes used. Heinz made ketchup one of the most popular condiments in the Western world. But what makes ketchup so special? The balanced combination of different ingredients creates a unique flavor that pairs perfectly with hamburgers, hot dogs, fries, and many other dishes. Let's take a look at how ketchup comes into being. Harvesting tomatoes. Tomatoes for ketchup production are harvested when they are fully ripe. The ripeness of the tomatoes is a critical factor because it affects the flavor and quality of the final ketchup. Tomatoes can be harvested by hand or with the aid of special machinery, depending on the size of the farm and the cultivation practices used. After harvesting, the tomatoes are washed thoroughly to remove dirt, soil residues, and other surface contaminants. This step is critical to ensure the safety and hygiene of the final product. After washing, the tomatoes are carefully examined and sorted. Tomatoes that are damaged, overripe, or do not meet the expected quality standards are removed. This selection step helps ensure that only the best and most suitable tomatoes are used for ketchup production. The tomatoes are passed through a chopping machine to separate the pulp from the skin and the seeds. In this way, a homogeneous consistency is achieved. The cooking stage is a crucial step in the ketchup production process. It is during this stage that the distinctive characteristics of ketchup, such as flavor, acidity, and texture, are created. After preparing the tomato pulp, it is transferred to large pots where the cooking stage takes place. Cooking takes place over low heat to allow even heat distribution and ensure that the sauce cooks gradually. This low-temperature cooking process helps develop the ketchup's flavor in a balanced way and concentrate the flavors. During cooking, key ingredients such as vinegar, sugar, salt, and a mixture of spices and flavorings are added. The vinegar contributes to the acidity and the characteristic taste of ketchup, while the sugar balances the acidity with a pleasant sweetness. Salt is used to enhance the overall flavor, and the blend of spices and flavorings give ketchup its unique flavor profile. Flavor development. Simmering allows the ingredients to mix and interact with each other over time. During cooking, spice aromas diffuse into the sauce, enriching it with complex flavor notes. Cooking time may vary depending on recipes and manufacturer preferences. Typically, ketchup is cooked for several hours to ensure complete cooking of the ingredients and development of desired flavors. Homogenization and pasteurization. The mixture is homogenized using high-speed blenders or special machines. This process helps to achieve a smooth and uniform consistency. To ensure food safety and extend the shelf life of the product, ketchup undergoes a pasteurization process. It is heated to high temperatures for a specific period of time to eliminate any bacteria or microorganisms present. Packaging. Now the ketchup is ready to be bottled. Manufacturers choose the most appropriate containers to store and market ketchup. Common container options include glass bottles or plastic bottles, which are selected based on the manufacturer's preferences and market needs. Before bottling ketchup, containers are properly prepared. This may include washing and sterilizing the containers to ensure hygiene. Both glass and plastic bottles must be thoroughly cleaned to remove any contaminants and ensure the ketchup is packaged in safe and clean containers. Once the containers are ready, the ketchup is transferred into bottles. This can be done manually or through the use of automated bottle machinery at the industrial level. The main goal during bottling is to maintain hygiene and ensure that the appropriate amount of ketchup is packed into each bottle. The bottles are labeled. Labels contain essential information such as a product name, brand name, ingredients, nutritional information, expiration date, and directions for use. Once the bottles have been filled and labeled, a seal is applied to ensure the integrity of the product. This can be accomplished by using plastic or metal caps or by pressure sealing systems. Proper sealing is critical to preserve the freshness of the ketchup and prevent any leakage or contamination. After sealing, ketchup bottles are packaged appropriately for transport and distribution. They can be arranged in boxes or multiple packages to facilitate transportation and protect the containers from damage during transport. Now, all that's left is to choose your favorite ketchup, order your fries, and enjoy this iconic salsa.